investigation, the mystery of Elon Musk. Is he building a flying saucer using alien technology? Author, Jonathan Small. Date, June 12th, 2025. Publication, Grani Realnosti. Introduction. A leak that could change everything. In the spring of 2025, the editorial office of Grani Realnosti received information from an anonymous source connected to the U.S. aerospace industry. According to the source, billionaire and SpaceX founder Elon Musk gained access in 2022 to classified documentation related to so-called unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, previously classified military reports and diagrams allegedly describing devices of extraterrestrial origin. We conducted our own journalistic investigation, comparing data from open and closed sources, and interviewed experts in the aerospace and military fields. The information obtained does not provide definitive answers, but it raises serious questions. Is Elon Musk building his own flying saucer? Modeled on extraterrestrial technology? Secret meeting in New Mexico. According to a source, in June 2022, a meeting took place in Los Alamos near the infamous Area 51 between representatives of DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, and Elon Musk. Formally, the meeting was to discuss the prospects of Starlink satellite internet for military purposes. However, according to internal correspondence, Musk may have been shown confidential materials on the Black Vault and Zeta projects related to attempts to reverse engineer allegedly captured UFOs, a strange project based at Starbase. In mid-2023, independent observers of SpaceX activities in Texas began to notice unusual activity at the Starbase facility. In addition to standard rocket tests, a new dome-like structure resembling a giant simulator appeared at the closed test sites. Company officials declined to comment. Google Earth satellite images captured a circular platform with a diameter of about 18 meters, equipped with superconducting magnetic coils and a fiber optic communication network. All this resembled a device capable of creating a magnetic field of unknown direction, similar to the descriptions of U.S. Navy documents released in 2020. Connection with the Pentagon and a mysterious research institute. In October 2024, Elon Musk held several closed meetings with representatives of the National Air and Space Intelligence Center, NASIC. At the same time, according to one insider, a memorandum of joint technological research was signed. At the same time, construction work began in Nevada on the site of the former Bigelow Aerospace Complex, which had previously been involved in studying anomalous phenomena on behalf of the U.S. Department of Defense. According to corporate registration documents, a new SpaceX subsidiary called X-Tech Dynamics is now the owner of part of the facility. Its goal is to research alternative propulsion and space maneuvering systems. What does Musk himself say? When asked by journalists to comment on these reports, Elon Musk responded in his usual style on Twitter/X. If I had a UFO, I would already be flying to Mars and back for lunch. But it sounds cool, maybe. And yet, according to a former SpaceX engineer who wished to remain anonymous, this phrase is not just a joke. Musk is a man who is always ahead of the curve. If he gets his hands on technology that is 50 years ahead of its time, he will try to reproduce it. And he can do it. Conclusion, just fantasy or the beginning of a new era. Today, we cannot say with certainty that Elon Musk is really building a flying saucer modeled after an alien one, but too much points to something more than just scientific experiments. Secret agreements, suspicious activity at closed facilities, strange engineering solutions that no one wants to talk about. If even part of this information is confirmed, we are on the threshold of a new era, an era of technology borrowed from a civilization that did not come from Earth. This material was prepared by the editors of Grani Realnosti based on open data, anonymous sources, and materials available through FOIA requests.